Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have another 1987 Buick Grand National. You're going to be able to find a lot of information for this specific car on our site at bulletmotorsports.com, or you can click on the link below. Also, I've got our Retro T, Turbo T on right now. So this is our special edition Grand National shirt. We have about 50 of these left, so if you want one of these, send us an email at sales@bulletmotorsport.com or send us a direct message and we'll get Gloria to shoot you a t-shirt. I'm going to start off with the front end. It does have the signature black grille for 87. I say that every time. Paint is extremely nice. It has been repainted, but they did a great job. The covers here have been painted in black and it shows well. Bumper fillers were replaced with spool fools, front and rear. Your badging is in the correct spot. You've got your 3.8 liter turbo badge up there. Let me pop the hood and we'll start off with that. Sorry about the wind. It's about 30-mile-an-hour winds here today, and they're having an air and sea show tomorrow, so that'll be interesting. Just open up the hood. We do have the original insulation here for the hood. It does have an aftermarket turbo shroud, and it does look to have blue top injectors. It has an intake. It does have a ceramic coated downpipe as well, and it runs really, really nice. AC is cold. It does have an aftermarket radio, and they did upgrade the braking system to a master cylinder from the Power Master. I'm going to close it and we'll go down the driver's side. Driver's side's really nice. Paint shows great. I mean, the reflection is nice. I see a little imperfect. Oh, that's just wax. Look at that, nice. I don't see any imperfections other than right here, here, and here. Going to open up the door here. Just put the windows down. Regulators work well. You do have power windows, power locks, and concert sound. It does have an upgraded radio there. AC is cold, as I said before. Interior is original. I see a small imperfection right here. The passenger seat's perfect. Headliner is extremely nice. Original steering wheel. Horn does not work. Let's go look at the back. Back seat is very nice. Let me get the keys so when we're back there we can show you that RPO sticker. Quarters look good. Rear bumper fillers, as I said, they're spool fools. Little imperfections right here. Open up the trunk. Trunk is like a mirror. Has a little carpet kit in here. I do have a spare tire that I will include with the purchase. This is the most important part. Let's jump up here. So we're going to look for WE2, which is right here. And then we're going to look for G80. That's going to be your posi track. Sorry about my nails. I was painting something today. G80, which will be your posi traction. So both wheels are going to spin when you accelerate. Better traction. Looking down the passenger side, it's very nice. Tires have about 60% tread. I see a couple of small dings here, and when they did the trim, they painted it. So normally it'd be a flat black, but it does look really nice. Opening up the passenger side door. All your Fisher panels are nice. The dash is extremely nice. The padding up top isn't blistering or popping up. Oh, you always want to show the doors. So when you're looking at the door here, you're looking for like major cancer. I see a little bit of bubbling on the corners over there. And I want you to realize that a lot of people wouldn't do that and show you that. I just want to be honest, show you what a nice car it is, the minor imperfections it has. There's also photos of the underside in the gallery, and that'll help you make your decision. It does have a power antenna, gauges. Let's jump in it, start it up so you can hear it and go for a ride. Starts up like that every time, nice and easy, no smoke. Sounds good. Let's go. We're inside right now, looking at the gauges. I'm looking at the RPM gauge. That's not operating. We do have a set of aftermarket gauges right here. Water temperature and boost. AC is cold, as I said. Does have the rear defrost, and the padding is extremely nice. There's Omar, he makes all of our stickers. You know, Grand Nationals aren't only for going fast. They also help people too. Our neighbors just ran out of gas, so we always have spare gas. We brought it. Finished our good deed for the day, and now we will give you guys a test drive. All right, so we're at operating temperature. We're gonna give you guys a regular test drive. Right now I'm gonna give it some gas. Are you ready? It's fast. I think we hit about 17 pounds of boost I let off, but we'll test it out again when we get over here. It's pretty happy. No detonation. We're gonna turn here now and test it out. I'm going to do a rolling start. We'll build boost. Ready? It's fast. These things are always peppy. It's only running 16 pounds of boost, so it's only 2 pounds over stock. You've got an aftermarket radio here too, which sounds great. Steering feels great, the brakes feel great, no pulsations. Obviously we just redid that system right there. And I mean, it's fast. Let it go through the gears regularly right now. Nice firm shifts. Nope, I'm not running any boost right now. It's very smooth. We're at 180 degrees. I'm gonna turn left right now, and we'll get a little bit more aggressive. And then you guys, if you have any questions about this specific car, any of the Grand Nationals we have, you can give us a call at 954-363-2261. We've sold over close to 30 this year, and this is one of my favorite cars, so you're gonna be able to talk to me and I'll be able to help you with any questions you may have in regards to it. We offer financing through 3 different parties: JJ Best Bank, Classic Car Lending, and Woodside Credit. If you guys want a shipping quote for this specific car or any car we have in inventory, just click on the transport tab and we'll be able to get you a quote within 24 hours.